Welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dausa. I am Sadanand Parasar from Civil Engineering Department, subject Design of Concrete Structure, lecture number 12, and today we will discuss about example of singly reinforced beam. As in previous videos, we discuss about analysis and design of singly reinforced beam, and today we will discuss about the example of singly reinforced beam. So we will discuss about both the methods, one question from working stress method and one question from limit state method. Working stress method question: determine the moment of resistance of rectangular beam having B equal to 350 mm, D equal to 600 mm, capital D overall depth equal to 650 mm, area of steel AST equal to 804 mm square, sigma CBC equal to 7 Newton per mm square, and sigma ST equal to 230 Newton per mm square. B, determine the balanced moment of resistance of the beam and the balanced area of the tension steel. And third portion C, determine the actual compressive stress of concrete FCBC and tensile stress of steel FST when 60 Newton meter is applied on the beam. Use direct computation method for all three parts. There are three parts of question: A, B, C. Solution: give data are B, width of beam equal to 350 mm, effective depth of beam small d equal to 600 mm, area of steel AST equal to 804 mm square, sigma CBC equal to 7 Newton per mm square, and sigma ST equal to 230 Newton per mm square. We have percentage of steel PT equal to AST into 100 upon BD. So we put these values: AST equal to 804 into 100 divided by BD, B 350, and effective depth D equal to 600. So the values are of PT, percentage of steel, is 0.383%. Second values MST, and second value M, which is modular ratio, equal to 280 by 3 sigma CBC. So we calculate 280 by 3, which is value is 93.33 upon sigma CBC, and sigma CBC values are 7. So 93.33 divided by 7, and we have the value of M, modular ratio, equal to 13.33. We determine the value of K from equation K equal to minus PT into M divided by 100 plus PT into M divided by 100 plus PT into M divided by 50 into 1 by 2. So the values are from these equations equal to minus 0.051 plus 0.323 equal to 0.272. This is the value of K. Now we find the value of J, which is J equal to 1 minus K by 3. So here we will put the values of K and we get the value of J. K equal to 0.272, and after solving the values J equal to 0.909. Equation give the moment of resistance of the beam as the moment of resistance formula M equal to PT by 100 into sigma ST into 1 minus K by 3 into BD square. So all the values are here and put in this equation. 0.383 divided by 100, sigma ST is 230, 1 minus K by 3, which is value of J. So we put here 0.909. B value 350 and D square 600 into 600. After calculating these values, M equal to 100.89 kilonewton meter. And second portion, the balanced moment of resistance and PT balance of the beam is obtained from equation MB equal to RB into BD square. RB equal to 1 by 2 sigma CBC into KB into JB equal to PT balance divided by 100 sigma ST into JB into PT balance. PT balance equal to 50 KB sigma CBC upon sigma ST, where KB equal to 93.33 upon sigma ST plus 93.33. JB equal to 1 minus KB divided by 3. The value of RB and PT balance may also be taken from tables. Here KB 93.33 divided by 230 plus 93.33, which is 0.288, and JB 1 minus 0.288 by 3, which is values are equal to 0.904. PT balance equal to 50 KB sigma CBC upon sigma ST. After solving these values, PT balance equal to 0.438. From therefore MB equal to 1 by 2 sigma CBC into KB into JB into BD square. All the values of put in this equation, and we can find the balanced moment resistance MB, moment of balance, equal to 144.81 kilonewton meter. MB from PT balance equal to PT balance divided by 100 into sigma st JB BD square. After solving from this equation, MB get 114.75 kilonewton meter. Taking RB from table, we get MB बराबर RB into BD square. The RB value 0.91 into B 350 and D 600 square. Here we will get MB value which is 114.66 kilonewton meter. The balanced area of steel PT balance into BD by 100 equal to 0.438 into 350 into 600 divided by 100, and we get 919.8 mm square. The beam has 4 bars of 16 mm diameter, having area of steel is 804 mm square. So additional amount of steel is 919.8 minus 804. The value we get 115.8 mm square is needed to make the beam balance. And third portion, the actual stresses in steel and concrete are FST and FCBC obtained from equations. For FST, equations are M upon AST into D bracket 1 minus K by 3 bracket close, and equation for FCBC equal to 2 AST into FST divided by BKD, where AST equal to 804 mm square and K equal to 0.272. These values put in these equations FST and FCBC. Thus we have FST equal to 136.83 Newton mm square, which is less than 230 Newton mm square, hence safe. And FCBC equal to 3.85 Newton per mm square, which is less than from 7 Newton per mm square. So this question is solved. This is based on working stress method. Now we will discuss about the single beam design from limit state method. So question are: design of rectangular beam to resist a bending moment equal to 45 kilonewton meter using M15 mix and mild steel. In this question, given bending moment which is 45 kilonewton meter and concrete grade M15 and steel, mild steel, which is FE 250. The beam will designed so that under the applied moment both materials reach their maximum stresses. Assumed ratio of overall depth to breadth of the beam equal to 2. Here ratio overall depth and width of beam equal to 2. Width of beam B, overall depth of beam D. Therefore, D by B equal to 2. For a balanced design, factored bending moment equal to moment of resistance with respect to concrete equal to moment of resistance with respect to steel, which is load factor into bending moment. Here load factor taken is 1.5 and bending moment which value gives in question 45 kilonewton meter. So put these values and calculate is 67.5 kilonewton meter. For balanced section, moment of resistance mu equal to 0.36 FCK B into XM bracket D minus 0.42 into XM bracket close. Put these values 0.36 FCK value concrete grade given here M15. So FCK value 15. B value we calculate from this ratio overall depth to width of beam, and D minus 0.42. Here for FY 250 XM value 0.53 D and FY 415 XM value 0.48 D. In previous videos we discussed about this table. So here we use mild steel which is FY 250 or FE 250. So we taken from this table value XM equal to 0.53 D. Grade 4 mild steel is FE 250. For FE steel, FE 250 steel, XM equal to 0.53 D, MU equal to 0.3 FCK into B into 0.53 D. 1 minus 0.42 into 0.53 bracket close D. When we solve this equation, we get equal to 2.22 BD. Since D by B equal to 2, so from this equation we take value B or D, only one values. So we take the value B, which is from this equation equal to D by 2, and put in MU equation. So we get MU equal to 1.1 D. MU equal to 67.5 into 10 Newton mm. This is second portion. So D equal to 394 mm and B equal to 200 mm. Adopt capital D equal to 450, B equal to 250 and small d equal to 415 mm. Area of tensile steel. This formula is factored bending moment. Factored bending moment means factor of safety applied in bending moment. So bending moment into factor of safety, which is factored moment, divided by 0.87 Fy bracket d minus 0.42 xm bracket close. So we can put here factored moment value, which is 67.5 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 0.87 into 250 bracket 1 minus 0.42 into 0.53 bracket close into 45. So we get value area of tensile steel equal to 96 mm square, and we can also written as 9.62 centimeter square. Minimum area of steel formula is 0.85 B into D divided by Fy. So we will values put 0.85 into Fy. Fy here 250. Sorry, 0.85 into B. B here 250 and D here 415 divided by 250. We get minimum area of steel value equal to 353 mm. 353 mm, which is less than from 962 mm. So hence we can say in beams the diameter of main reinforced bar is usually selected between 12 mm to 25 mm, provided two bars of 20 mm diameter and one bar of 22 mm diameters, giving total area 6.28 plus 3.80. So sum of these values are 10.08 centimeter, which is greater than 9.62 centimeter. So we can design the singly beam as per limit state method. So here we provide width of beam is 250, effective depth of beam 415, and effective cover 35. So overall depth 415 plus 35 for 50 mm, and we provide 3 bars. 2 bars are 20 mm diameter and 1 bar 22 mm diameter. This is the beam designed by limit state method, singly beam designed by limit state method. So we can solve other example by this method. Thank you. We can also solve other examples like from working stress method or limit state method.